Here we have a 1912 Underwood No.5 antique desktop typewriter. Over 110 years old, and it still works. And it will forever if you take care of it. Very popular model. Underwoods used to be my most popular model that I sold. I don't get them that much anymore. They're hard to ship, so it's hard to find them online, but I do ship these. I'm going to show you how to use all the functions and make sure they all work. These are your margins in front. You just pinch and squeeze like that. And I like my margins to be right in between these finger holders. So I'm going to set that right there, and towards the end, you'll hear the bell, and that's where I want it. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3. There's a number on this where the switch is 1, 2, and 3. So if you switch it down 1, it'll skip 2. Switch it down again, it'll skip 3. We're going to go back to the next line and just use a single space. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. To switch from black to red, you just flip this switch here. There's a red icon there. You just push it down on that side. Classic machine. These were some of the first typewriters ever made in America. And it still works great, and it will forever if you take care of it. This is the way to go if you want an antique desktop machine. Put some light in there. Looks really good. It's got the side windows that are open like that. Really unique machine. To pull the paper out easy, you flip this switch down. Opens up the rollers underneath, allowing you to pull the paper out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Flip it back up, or else you won't be able to load the next page correctly. It's got a backspace here on the left side. That works good. Shift key on each side and a shift lock on the right. And to clear it, you just hit the shift key again. We're going to put this back down for default black. It's got a tab function, so the tabs are in the back. This one, if you don't want to use it, you just put it to the side, like over here. So it's got 3 that are in use, and you just push them down and move them in. And there's little notches where they set into. So if you line it up right, you can set them up 1, 2, 3 of them. I'll show you how it works from the back here. It'll stop at each one of these tabs. 2, 3. Works good. Show you from the front. Got carriage release lever on each side. This one's right above the knob, and this other one is right here. This allows you to control the carriage freely. This is your ribbon direction and winding gear. So if you push it in, it'll pull to the back side there, and if you pull it out, it'll pull to the near side, and you can wind it to make sure it's going in the right direction. That's cool. I like that function. And that is about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.